before we go to the battle space. We need to be able to fight this with what we have right now. And I think that the most powerful weapon we have to defend against these enemy UAS is our brains, our minds. We're going to have enemy UAS over us all the time, either observing us or trying to engage us directly. And what we have proven out here these past few days is you've got to get out there and you've got to experience it to figure out what that threat is and how to defeat it.
Maintain dispersion.
Yes, sir.
35.
As law enforcement, this is the first time we have done a joint training with the military. We're out here trying to find people that are hiding out in this bush, and their main purpose is to try to avoid us being able to detect them. This type of training is life critical for them.
I believe that the drone is a very dangerous problem, especially for the young guys at the tip of the spear. The way to take care of them now is hard training in that environment and exposing them to it early.
Absent something that's blocking the heat radiating off your body, we're seeing you every time.
The drones is definitely very eye-opening. They're not completely undefeatable, that there is a chance that you can hide from them, but how easy it is for them to pick up on us.